Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crestron Technical Institute. Today we're here to talk about the DM-NAX 8ZSA, specifically busing and bridging. To help me understand that, Tom Brady is joining us again, the audio solution owner for DM-NAX.
Good to be here, Kyle.
So I really need to get a better understanding of how busing and bridging works, both in Simple Windows and in Crestron Home. Can we start with Home?
Sure. So to quickly touch on the concept of busing in general, you can think of this as creating a temporary group of multiple zones where playback will happen from the same source as one large bust zone. So this is how you would have your kitchen, your dining room, and your living room all playing back the same audio at once for like a dinner party. This can be done either by using the multi-room audio page within a room in the Crestron Home app or touch panel UI, or by creating a media scene. I think the multi-room page is pretty self-explanatory, so let's jump into the media scene example. Let's create a scene called Party Mode. To do this, we'll go to Media Scenes, select our main room for the scene, then hit the plus. Next, we'll just select the source and the rooms we wish to bust together as part of this scene.
All right, now that we've created the party scene, we can recall it many ways. It can be a quick action button or a button pressed from a remote. I'm always surprised how easy it is to make that stuff happen. All right. What about bridging? For those of us that don't know what it is, just define it for me, Tom.
Sure, so bridging in this case can be thought of as combining two channels of the 8ZSA amplifier outputs together to make a single output capable of much higher output power. So in the 8ZSA specifically, a single-ended channel will output up to 150 watts, while a bridged output can output up to 500 watts.
Okay, I think I got it. So if a speaker needs more power, we just have a way to combine that output to get what we need. Where, though, do I do the configuration of that output?
So that can be done in the web UI or in the source routes page of Crestron Home. So let's take a look. In the web UI, after clicking the Configure button for a specific zone in the Zones tab, we can scroll down to the Output tab and change the bridging configuration using this Zone Configuration drop-down menu. Each of these options will configure the amplifier outputs for that zone to meet the needs of that given configuration. Here you should check out the 8ZSA manual for detailed signal flow diagrams on which amplifier outputs are going to be consumed by each bridging combination before making your choice. In Crestron Home, we can also configure this during the source routes step by routing multiple consecutive outputs to the same room. This will then bring up a window asking you how you want to configure those outputs, whether bridged or bust. Once you confirm the configuration, you'll see a parenthetical note next to the output for the mode that you selected.
Okay, I think I've got a better understanding of how bridging and busing works in Crestron Home. Let's now take a look at it in Simple Windows.